So let's open your terminal and then we can just start with a few simple commands that you get to use that. So first of all, we want to know where we are. It's like in the same you are opening your Explorer in Windows, you see where you are on C drive, on the documentation, or on desktop where you are. To see that, we have a simple command pwd, which is parent working directory, where you are exactly now. So that shows my position at the now that I'm typing the commands there. So this is the simple command that you can use. And if after you know, okay, where I am, so I want to see what is it in this directory where I am. So like in /home/admin, you can just type ls and it show you which folders you have there. So I have three folders there. One is Go, Projects, and Snap. So the simple directories that I have. So we want to create a new directory now. So you just type mkdir like test dir. Now we type again ls. So we have a new directory here that we created just now. So now we want to go inside the directory. We just type cd test name of directory. You can just use the tab to auto complete your uh, command. Just type center. So now you can see that I'm this tilde. It means that you're at home. So this is also the start of the home directory. This icons. This let's say icon or something. This show you the name is tilde. Shows that it's from the home directory. And then it shows slash where you are now. So I'm in the home test. So Linux has a directory structure that I can explain in the next video. Then you will understand, okay, where I am exactly now and which files you are expecting to be there. So just now, just to interact with the Linux and to get to know how it works. The other command, like you want to create a file to say like that. In Windows, you just click right click and then new, and then you choose a type of the file. In Linux, we don't have any type. Actually, everything is a file. A configuration file is a file, or if you put some name on the at the end, it doesn't matter if there is or not. It still will just everything you type here is a file in Linux. That's the simple thing you have to remember always. So we can just create a file. We say touch. It's used to create a new file. Test.txt. This txt, if you put there or not, it doesn't matter here. You can just create one, type ls, and we have a new file. We can want to open this file. You can just nano. It's a installed package or a feature like a notepad. You can use in Linux to interact with the files here. Then we type the name of the text file that we want to interact. Press enter. Now you get this page which explains you here at the bottom like a status bar, like which command you can use to do something. Like these commands are there that you can just test them. Quite easy. And you just have to be like, okay, I or you're finished with typing everything, you just press the control and the O button. It will ask you put the name of the it tells you do you want to write something to this file. You just say enter, yes, and also then control X exit. So now how to be sure that whatever we typed they are there in this file. To see the content of a file, it's a quite easy command there. You just type cat and the name of the file. It will output the content of any file that you choose here. You okay, now you won't say, okay, I don't need this file anymore. You can just say rm remove name of the file, and it gives you if the response is like just quietly give you no error, it's like mean that the operation is done. Now if you type ls, we have no file in this directory. Okay, we say that it's quite easy to create a new file, a new directory, and also back. Now, if you want to go back from this directory, you just type also cd 2 points. So one step back, we are back at the home. If we type again ls, we're now there. And that will be like easy. Sometimes you got a command, but you don't know what it's doing. Like what is ls? You don't know what is it doing, this ls command. Linux has like a wiki page for each command itself. You just have to use that like man. You type the name of the command like ls and then enter. It will give you a description how you can, what is this directory contents is the name of that, and how you can use that one, and the description for this command. And there are also like sub description, like you can option you can use with each command in Linux. You type an ls and then a space and an option you have to use. You don't have to, but you can use it. Some of them are like optional, but sometimes it's like mandatory that you have to use these options. So we have here a lot of options. You can try all of them. So it doesn't, just for testing to get to know that, and you can just press enter. You can will be going one line down, and also with the space you can go also down. So it's a quite a lot page. Okay, after you are finished with the reading, so here's also written. So press H for help or Q to quiet. You just press the Q and you will be out of the page. You can have use this man for any command you want to know the description. Man mkdir, we just used to create new directory. Just enter and you will have so it tells you make directories. And the same also will be how to use it, and also the description with the options you can have here. So that's the simple thing. And the next file I will show you also in the next video what's the structure of the files and directories in Linux, and how you can set the permissions and to set that nobody else is gonna change file except of the user that you set to have permission for that. See you in the next video.